Hello and welcome to Coventry Kitchen. Unfortunately, Luke and Oscar couldn't make it today. They're attending to some personal matters, but I'll be taking over. Alright, let's find out what we're going to cook today. Today we're going to be cooking eggs, and I'll cook it. I'll cook it three ways. We'll do my favourite three ways: my fried eggs. We'll do an omelette, and then poached. We'll do poached. Well, I guess we're going to need some eggs then. That's about right.
Oscar? What are you doing here?
Just quickly, do you know where the eggs are?
Come on out. I want you back to my bath.
Let's start with my grandma's secret fried egg. So you're going to want to turn your pan to medium-high heat and a splash of oil. Now, if I was to share with you the secret my grandma told me, is that she would always have the oil hot before she put the eggs in. My grandmama was a terrible woman, but she sure knew how to make some eggs. So the trick with fried eggs is to break the egg, crack it, and put the inside of the egg into the pan. So let me just, it takes a bit of skill, especially you don't want to crack the yolk as well. Ah, a double egg. My grandma always said that meant good luck. Now these are cooked to my liking. And that's really all there is to it. And I like to finish these off with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that we've cooked my grandmama's special fried eggs, let's make an omelette. First, you're going to want to whisk 3 eggs in a bowl.
Isn't there something off about that egg?
Looks fine to me. So once again, turn your pan to medium-high heat, and I'm going to use butter with this because you never want to use oil with eggs. Never. While the pan's over there heating up, I'm just going to season my eggs. Once the pan's up to heat, you're going to pour in those eggs. And as you can see, the sides are cooking through, so I like to drag them in just a little bit. We want some more cooked in the middle than on the sides. It'll make flipping easier. Oh, this is about ready. And so now you add your, So normally what you do, you put whatever fillings you like, cheese, that sort of thing, in before you fold the egg. And now for our final egg of the day, we're going to poach. Oh, I know you need to boil some water. Oscar, could you just show me how to poach an egg real quick?
Can I just have that back?
So here you have it, how to poach the perfect eggs 3 ways.
Now that the water's simmering, we're going to crack the egg into a bowl and slowly put it into the boiling water. Now that that's cooking, let's hear from this week's sponsor.
This week's episode brought to you by
Boom Beach! Find the most addictive mobile game yet. It really is addictive, I know.
So Luke, what can you do in Boom Beach?
Well, Oscar, you can build and defend your base, invade others, join a clan,
And play with friends. Head to www.boombeach.com/promos and don't forget to redeem our special code. It's as easy as 1, 2,
see you at the beach. Boom!
After 73 seconds, done. Boys, I made lunch. Guys, lunch.
Oh, sorry. Ooh, poached for me, please. Come on, Luke.
What's wrong with it?
It's good, Adam.
Yeah, it turned out well.
What's wrong, Luke? Can I try the fried?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, have some of this.
Do you want?
And how about I have some of the poached?
Oh,
yeah.
of course, yeah.
I can't eat this.
More for me then.